Hello everyone, good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you are all doing great. Today I am going to talk about why you should learn English. Actually, everyone know English is very important language for communication. It is used as an international language. Learning English helps us to talk different countries people and share our feelings, thoughts and emotions. Also, it is very useful for education because of many books, websites and exams are in English. Also, it can useful for us. We can get better, good job and build a career. Also, learning English helps us to travel easily and use technology confidently. So therefore, learning English very necessary for us in our professional and future life. That's why you should learn English.